How does truck brake lining sintered metallic formula work? At Annat Frictions, our truck brake lining sintered metallic formula redefines heavy-duty braking reliability, blending metallic strength with precision sintering technology. Let's break down its core mechanics, advantages, and technical specs. Our proprietary brake linings formula is the foundation. A high-performance brake linings mixture of 50 to 55% metallic components, steel fibers, copper alloy particles, iron oxides, plus heat-resistant binders and friction modifiers forming rugged brake linings friction materials. Through sintering at peak -630 degrees Celsius under high pressure, these brake linings mixes densify, eliminating porosity and creating a heat-tolerant, wear-resistant matrix. When braking, it delivers instant, consistent friction, converting kinetic energy into controlled heat while resisting glazing and fade. Backed by hard data, stable friction coefficient of 0.42 to 0.47, -45 degrees Celsius to 490 degrees Celsius for 40 to 68-ton trucks. Wear rate is just 0.065 millimeters, 1,000 kilometers to 38% longer service life than standard linings. It reduces noise to 62 decibels, cuts rotor wear by 42%, and minimizes fade by 48% in heavy haul scenarios. Technical specs: tensile strength greater than 10.8 MPa, compression set 4.2%, and 850 consecutive braking cycles at 490 degrees Celsius without degradation. Complies with .FMVSS 121 and ECER 13 global standards. At Annat Frictions, our refined brake linings formula ensures the sintered metallic brake linings mixture excels in durability and performance trusted for uncompromising braking in commercial fleets, mile after mile.